Hush, little Mokuba, don't say a word. Noah's going to keep you in the virtual world. And if your brother tries to moan, Noah's going to turn his body into stone.
I'm rich!
Seto, how unexpected. And by unexpected, I mean totally expected. Ha!
Can it with the Phineas and Ferb jokes, you tiny shorts-wearing freak! I'm here for my brother.
Well, Mokuba, do you want to go with the nice man?
He keeps touching me, Seto. It's so weird.
Like we rehearsed, Mokuba.
Oh, right. You're not my brother anymore, Seto. Noah is.
What have you done to him, you snake?
I told him the truth. The truth about you, Seto.
And he gave me donuts. That's what really swayed me.
Yes, but I also told him that you never really loved him.
Yeah, because you never gave me donuts.
Really? This is about donuts?
Donuts sprinkled with the truth.
And filled with delicious jelly.
Mokuba, you're ruining the metaphor.
Oh, what's a metaphor?